This is me mukbanging about the ACV, the apple cider vinegar drink, you know. Add a little cognac, pepper, water, lemon. Concentrate, just lemon drops, you know what I'm saying? So, show you all the way to the brim. About to down it. Supposedly good for health, immune system, you know, keeps the heart in, you know, in its purity. Also promotes good health for skin conditions in your hair follicles. It prevents baldness. Yeah, never knew. But let me give you a little synopsis real quick. I ain't gonna take a. I could take a little lip. Oh. You know what it got in there? It's vinegar. Got water in it. About three-fourths of a wet. That was just my like wine tasting, you know what I'm saying? But it's supposed to help your brain function too, you know? So cayenne pepper, you know, it opens your pores, gives you a little cleanliness, especially corona around here. Got my soup over there. I ain't even gonna show you right now. Literally right near me, but here go the mukbang, you hear me? Makes your hair stand up. You know what I'm saying? All that cayenne, I hear it. I feel it on the hint tip. I feel a little tartness. It's vinegar. What else you want, you know? According to Slim, I'm just promoting healthiness, wellness. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. If you definitely deal with good food digestion, and that's just not just a physical food, you know, salads and trying to keep things kosher or halal, but good food for thought as well, you know what I'm saying? You gotta believe that's how you heal the sick and good morale that Jesus taught. Give me some more real quick. I want to hurry up and get this done. I ain't got that much time. Is it hard to digest? Is it hard to get down? Me personally, I'm not a person who's like quench worthy when it comes to taste factors and things of that nature. That's not me. I feel the acid though. The acid reflexes definitely is playing a big part, major part in my whole, you know, digestive system right there.